How to add multiple stops to Google Maps. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily add multiple stops to Google Maps. So let's say I'm currently at Birmingham and I want to start my location, let's say from London. Maybe I will select my start location as well as my end location. So if I were to add any stops right in the middle between them, so for that what I will be doing is just come back and click on this three dot icon and click on this edit stops, and basically once you click on edit stops you can reorganize the stops just like this and simply choose the different location. Let's say I want to choose Manchester in between Birmingham, or I can also simply edit this London to Middle Park and just like this, and then only Manchester. So basically I choose three different points from Birmingham to London to Manchester. So that's exactly how we do it guys. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.